Is your Chevy Equinox key fob not working? The most likely culprit is a dead battery. For 2018-2024 models, you'll need a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. You can find these at most auto parts stores or online retailers. To replace the battery, you'll need a flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool and a new CR2032 battery. First, locate the seam on your key fob, typically on the back or side. Use a flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool to gently open the case, being careful not to scratch the plastic. Remove the old battery, noting which side faces up. Insert the new CR232 battery with the positive side facing the same direction as the old one. Finally, snap the case back together, ensuring it's fully closed. Test the fob by pressing the buttons within 5 to 10 feet of your vehicle. If your key fob still doesn't work after replacing the battery, you may need to reprogram it. Access the vehicle's infotainment screen and navigate to Settings, Vehicle, Remote Lock, Unlock, Start. Follow the on-screen prompts to reprogram the fob. If this doesn't work, a visit to the dealership may be required, costing around $50 to $100. Always handle batteries with clean, dry hands and dispose of old batteries properly at recycling centers. Also be aware that aftermarket batteries may not last as long as OEM batteries, so consider name brands like Duracell or Energizer. Remember that some 2024 models may have an LED indicator for a low battery.